Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make brioche, but it is a 2-day process though. So you have to firstly make the dough, and then after you've prepared the dough you let it rest for at least 12 hours, and then you do the second part and bake the bread. But just follow the steps along and I'll show you. Okay, so it is about 2 hours later now, and the brioche has risen to about double its size. So I'll show you now. It's now the next day, early morning. I got up, put the kettle on, and gonna make myself some coffee. First step in shaping this brioche is to take the bread and divide it, the dough, and divide it into 1/3 and 2/3. Take the third, shape it into a ball. fits nicely into this mold. Then make up this a hole in the middle. Take the other third, make it in a oval shape. Press it inside the hole. I'm saying, there's the shape of the brioche. Now I'm going to leave it for another 2 hours or so to rise to double its volume again.